We have come here to protest against the brutal assault of the Assam Rifles to the defenseless Meira Paibis on August 3rd. On August 3rd, when the defenseless Meira Paibis and women of the Meitei community of Manipur went to protest against the forced burial of the Kuki militants in Thouwong, Bangla, we were already welcomed by the Assam Rifles with bricks on their hands. The roads were already barricaded. The barricades had electric current on it, to which the Meira Paibis and the defenseless women succumbed to injuries. Many of them, around 100 of them, are there in hospitals and are critically injured. Who will take the responsibility for this? Will Assam Rifles take the responsibility for this? Are you ready to take the responsibility for this? The Assam Rifles are very, very eager to lay hands on the defenseless Meiteis, on the defenseless elderly women, women as old as 80 years old. They are ready to lay hands on the Meiteis, but why is it that they are ever ready to not lay hands on the Kukis? Why is it that the Assam Rifles are ever ready to dance with the Kuki community, but with the Meiteis, they are ever ready to lay hands on the Meiteis? Even Meiteis as old as 80 years old are beaten black and blue by the Assam Rifles. Why? On August 3rd, they hit the defenseless Meiteis with bricks on their heads, even with rifle butts, and they use chemical weapons. They even electrocuted those defenseless Meitei women. Why? Why so much of an autocracy against the Meiteis? If the Assam Rifle is really here to bring peace to the state of Manipur, you should first learn how to act neutral. And this autocracy against the Meiteis will not be tolerated by the Meitei community. At this point, because there are so many of brutal assaults against the Meiteis, even on July 22nd, 2 young Meitei men were assaulted by the Assam Rifles. They were beaten black and blue and even threatened to kill. Remember, there are many incidents that the Assam Rifles had inflicted against the Meitei communities. So at this point, we want Assam Rifles no more. Please, Assam Rifles, go back! Go back! Go back! Assam Rifles, go back! Assam Rifles!